Hello everybody, this is Dr. Rajpreet and I'm going to share about why do I like internet moguls of the world. अगर आप लोगों को लगता है कि एक ही जगह जहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएं तो मेरे ख्याल से इंटरनेट मोगुल्स इज समथिंग लाइक दैट फॉर मी बिकॉज इन दिस वन प्रोग्राम विद दिस वन इंस्टीट्यूट I feel spiritual level growth, I feel digital marketing, definitely that is the course going on. So digital marketing in a very simpler way, I mean mothers, kids, professionals, everybody has enrolled into this course, and this course is so simplified and professional at the same time that we are all able to grasp it and we are all able to perform on different various speeds. So because of which, catering to these speeds, Avi sir has made this program in such a way that it is more like a hop on of bus. That's what he calls this. So जितना आपको जितनी स्पीड है उस हिसाब से, या जो भी, अगर इफ़ यू आर लैगिंग बिहाइंड, you can just hop up and catch up back again. So this actually gives you a very high comfort level. उसके अलावा we get a family. That is one big thing. We are so connected with each other, all of us in this group. हमें सबको पता है कि किसी की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. That's what the bond is, and Avi sir makes sure that he shares his morning, evening, whatever he sees the best or maybe he wants to share with us. तो वो पक्का शेयर करते हैं, and then all of us we also do that. तो it is an extended family which we all have for each other now. और बाकी मतलब excellence level is too good. Everybody is reaching their own excellence levels with this course, and not just on a professional level, on a spiritual level, on relationship level. तो अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ कि एक जगह जहाँ पे आपको सारी ट्रेनिंग मिल रही है, दिस इज समथिंग लाइक दैट फॉर मी. मतलब ऑल माई 40 years वट एवर, आई बींग अ डेंटिस्ट, और बाकी जितना कुछ भी मैंने पढ़ लिया है या जो कुछ भी देख लिया है, आई डोंट थिंक सो आई नो एनी अदर इंस्टीट्यूट विच इज़ गिविंग दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ होलिस्टिक ग्रोथ टू यू. यहाँ पे दे आर ऑल एज ग्रुप्स, all, I mean from across the globe, and we are all very different people. We are connected with such a strong bond with Avi sir and the whole team that it feels beautiful. So मैं और ज़्यादा सेंटी नहीं बोलूँगी. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मैं छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स करके आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ, जस्ट टू शो हाउ मच Internet Moguls means to me and how much I am in love with this fraternity. And kudos to you, Avi sir, and your team, and we love you immensely from our bottom of our hearts. Hail Internet Moguls. Bye bye.
So yes, you can take a Punjabi out of Punjab, but you can never take Punjab out of a Punjabi. Same way, you can take digital out of digital marketing, but you cannot take internet moguls out of the internet, out of this internet digital world, because they have such a hold now. They have such a big fraternity, and we all are like crazy in love with internet moguls. Or suno, keep honking. I am reloading. This is the funda what we all are एक्चुअली डूइंग विद अवी सर, बिकॉज दुनिया जो मर्जी करे, हमें रोज़ की डोज ऐसी अच्छी मिलती है ना कि दुनिया जो मर्जी बोले, हम अपना काम कर रहे हैं. यू कैन नॉट टेक दैट अवे फ्रॉम अस. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज, you are so much in love with your work that you love it even on odd days. That is what you need to do. You have to work like that you are forced to love even on odd days, and you love it much more than yesterday, for sure. This is what we have realized, all of us. And if you start loving what you are doing, there is no stopping, there is no holding. And this is what Internet Moguls tells all of us, that you love your work, your passion. और ये सारे जितने आपको उल्लू दिख रहे हैं ना, सेम वे ऐसे ही उल्लू सारे हम, एटलीस्ट इन आवर बैच, वी आर ऑल सिंगिंग आवर ओन ट्यून, प्लेइंग आवर ओन म्यूजिक, and it makes such a beautiful symphony in the end, you can't believe. And in the end, what we are taught is that happiness is somewhere between too little and too much. I'm very sure Avi sir also resonates with this thought, and he helps us perform the best every day.
So this was my story in a very funny way, in a very comic way, in a very Punjabi way. That's what I am, and direct dil se, definitely, for sure. And Internet Moguls has many more reasons also that a person can never fall out of love from Internet Moguls. And we are so lucky that we are here, and we are striving each day to become a better version of us. टू दी एक्सटेंट के हमारे ग्रुप पे ऐसे मैसेजेस आते हैं रोज़ के रोज़ कि आप शर्म से डूब जाओगे. एवरीबडी इज़ परफॉर्मिंग टू द 100x of their versions. This is the speed, and that's what we have all catapulted to that level. और इसकी स्टोरीज आपको बहुत सारी मिल जाएंगी इंटरनेट मोगल्स पे. सो इफ़ एनीबडी इज़ हैविंग एनी सेकंड थॉट के ज्वाइन करना है कि नहीं करना है, प्लीज़ दोबारा सोच लो. ऐसे मौके दोबारा नहीं आते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ मोर लाइक अ फैमिली, दिस इज़ मोर लाइक अ स्कूल, दिस इज़ मोर लाइक लाइफ. दिस इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. And I thank you so much, Internet Moguls. Thank you so much, Avi sir. And long live Internet Mogul dynasty. Hail Internet Moguls. Lots of best wishes, King Mogul. Bye bye.